In today's video, I'm going to teach you why older emails might be missing in Outlook and how you can get them back. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through your Outlook inbox only to realize that some older emails are mysteriously missing, you're not alone. There are a few common reasons this might happen, and we're going to explore those today. Firstly, it's possible that these emails have been archived or deleted. Outlook tends to automatically archive older emails to help manage your inbox size. Alternatively, you might have inadvertently deleted them. Another possibility is that if you have a particularly large inbox, older emails might have become hard to spot or even stacked over the years. But don't worry, there's an easy way to locate these elusive emails. Start by opening your Outlook desktop application. Once there, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top corner of the screen. This is your primary tool for sifting through the volumes of emails you may have accumulated over the years. Click on the three-line filter icon that appears on the right side of the search bar. This icon allows you to apply specific filters to refine your search. One of the most effective filters to use is the date filter. By specifying a start date and an end date, you can narrow down the time frame in which Outlook should search for your emails. If you're unsure about the exact dates, you can try to estimate based on your best recollection. In addition to date filtering, consider using keywords associated with the missing emails. This could be anything from the sender's name, subject line phrases, or even content you remember from the email. By combining date and keyword filters, you create a powerful tool to pinpoint exactly where those lost emails have been stored. As you apply these filters, Outlook will begin searching through your folders, including your archived emails, to match the criteria you've set. If the emails have been archived, they should appear here once the search is completed. Similarly, if you have inadvertently deleted them and they are still within the recoverable items period, you might see them as well. It's also worth mentioning that keeping a regular eye on your archive settings can prevent such issues in the future. By adjusting these settings, you can decide how often and what Outlook archives automatically. If you find yourself regularly missing emails, consider reviewing these settings to better suit your organization style. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to retrieve those missing emails and maintain a better handle on your inbox management, whether they were archived, accidentally deleted, or simply buried in numerous folders. The search bar in Outlook is your best friend in recovering them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep your emails exactly where you need them.